Hi there, I'm Nina Goradia. I'm a somatic experiencing practitioner on the non-dual path. I've made a few previous videos, which I will link here, talking about the proper use of effort and how we can put the effort in the direction of our awakening, in the direction of a good quality life, rather than in the direction of ego, which significantly compromises our quality of life. So today I thought, let me talk about what the opposite of that would look like. And so how to go insane, how to significantly lower your quality of life and your psychological mental health. So one would be to make everything mean something about me, my worth, and my identity. Number two is to take responsibility for other people and all things outside of my control, and then do number one, make it about myself. Number three is to be attached to every outcome of what I do, and then make it about myself. Number four, putting maximum effort in the direction of ego building, which is thinking and trying from ego, and then doing number one. Number five is to never move the body, never attend to it, never feel my feelings, and then attribute it to things outside of my control, and then to make that mean something about myself. And then what we often do is we do all these things to ourselves because we don't really know how to live. We were never taught what is the proper use of effort. How can I be with myself? How do I interpret things in a way that's true, not in a way that the ego makes it all mean something about itself? So when we don't know this, we're doing all this to ourselves unknowingly, but then we're blaming someone else and something else. And it's really something that is happening internally. I hope this helps. Sometimes it's helpful to see what the opposite effort would be, what it would look like. So I hope that gives some clarity. I'll see you next time.